guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have 3 quick and delicious recipes that make perfect last minute foodie gifts.
If you've got a holiday party coming up, or you want to have a little gift for someone, a neighbour, whoever it might be, and you're thinking, I've run out of time, these gifts are perfect. They're really quick to make and they're absolutely delicious. They're also really nice if you're doing like a kind of hamper with lots of different bits together. You can pop one of these in, mix it with some sort of like store-bought items, homemade things.
I mean, you can probably tell by us and our channel and the type of things we do, we are foodies and we are big fans of giving food gifts. They sit in this nice little spot where you're giving someone something that you've made and you're really showing them that you care and that you've put your love and effort into something delicious for them.
Exactly, and especially for people that don't want more stuff, things that, you know, they don't really need. I think food gifts are always a great avenue to go down.
To cover all bases, these 3 recipes that we've got, 2 savoury and 1 sweet. If you know someone in your life that is a massive chocolate person, then number 3, the last recipe that we'll share with you, is going to be perfect for them.
We've also got a savoury recipe, which is going to be our second recipe. But if you've got someone that is into sweet stuff but more into kind of nuttier flavours, then our first recipe you're going to love, which is a spiced sweet festive nuts, and we're going to be using pecans. Everything is smelling absolutely amazing. So in a minute I'm going to spread these out on a baking sheet so they're in a nice flat layer and they will go and cool off. For our next recipe, we're going to be making some classic pickles. These are great for going in hampers, maybe with a nice loaf of bread, either shop bought from the bakery or homemade. We're going to be doing these little mini cucumbers, so classic pickle, and then we're also going to be adding in some fresh dill and mustard seeds and also some capers as well. Because these are pickled in a jar, these are also the things that we're going to gift it in, which is great. So we've just used some recycled food jars and scrubbed the labels off. So everything is going to be basically ready to wrap up and gift once it's done pickling. Kind of looks like a pickly snow globe, which is kind of festive. I think I spend about 80% of my time at Christmas just faffing with bows. Bows on the tree, bows on the presents, bows on the candlesticks. When gifting food gifts like this, it's also best to put the date that it was made as well, so people know how long to keep it in their fridge for and when it might go off. So instead of ruining the front, what I might do is put like a little sticky label underneath just with the date on. Our last recipe is the one for all the chocolate lovers out there, and we're going to be doing a festive take on the chocolate salami, which is an Italian dessert, sweet, I don't really know what you'd call it. So we're going to be melting some chocolate, and then we're going to be adding in some ginger nuts, some dried cranberries and some pistachios and some orange zest as well. So that's going to give everything those really nice festive flavours. Look at that lovely melted chocolate. our chocolate and our butter and added all of the ingredients together. So now it's ready to be rolled into the kind of salami shape. But before we do that, so good, so Christmassy as well. I got a little bit of everything there. Tart, like fruity cranberry, the ginger nuts. I think traditionally it's like probably more of like a rich tea or digestive biscuit. But I just like the idea of bringing in those Christmassy, festive, spiced flavours, and I absolutely love ginger. Sometimes we do ginger, caramelised ginger truffles. That's one of our other like go-to gifts. And of course gingerbread. So yeah, delish.
It really does kind of look like a sausage, doesn't it?
So it's still quite soft, obviously, and warm, but this is going to go in the fridge and then it will set nicely. So here is our chocolate festive salami, all wrapped up and ready to go. It's best to leave this either in the fridge or in a really cool spot in your house because you don't want all of that chocolate to melt accidentally left next to a radiator. I think I would be really happy if someone gifted me this at Christmas. Delicious. If you like a chocolate tiffin, then you are going to love this. So these are our 3 festive last-minute Christmas gifts that are perfect for anyone in your life, or even just to make yourself.
Whether it's the chocolate salami, the candied nuts, or the pickles, we hope these recipes have inspired you to make something to give to someone in your life.
Let us know in the comments which recipe is your favourite, and also what are your go-to foodie gifts that you make this time of year. We'd love to know, and we'll see you guys in our next video.
Bye.